Steducentre Grade 8 A&A Exam Review for Maths Part 5. Question 9.1. In triangle DEF, angle E is 90 degrees. DE is equal to 7 meters and EF is equal to 24 meters. Use the theorem of Pythagoras to calculate the length of DF. Question 9.1. H squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. H squared is equal to 7 squared plus 24 squared. H squared is equal to 49 plus 576. H squared is equal to 625. To drop your squared, you root the 625 and H becomes 25. Question 9.2. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees, PQ is equal to 6 centimeters, QR is equal to 8 centimeters, and PR is equal to 10 centimeters. Calculate the area of triangle PQR. Question 9.2. To find the area, we use the formula half base times height. So you substitute as half 8 times 6, which is half of 48, which is 24 meters squared. Question 9.3. AC, the diameter of the given semicircle ABC, is 20 centimeters. Use pi, which is equal to 3,14, to calculate the perimeter of the figure correct to 2 decimal places. The formula for the circumference of a circle is C is equal to pi times D, or C is equal to 2 pi r. Question 9. 3.14 times 20 divided by 2 plus 20. 62.8 divided by 2 plus 20 will give you 31.4 plus 20, and your final answer would be 51.4 centimeters. Question 9.4. Calculate the volume of a rectangular prism with length 2 meters, breadth of 1.5 meters, and a height of 0.5 meters. To calculate volume, we use length times width times height. So we'll substitute as 2 times 1.5 times 0.5, which will give you 1.5 cube units. Question 10. The mathematics test marks of a group of grade 8 learners are given below: 54, 66, 92, 70, 50, 81, 84, 36, 78, 58, and 58. 10.1. Determine the median of the marks. 10.2. Write down the range. 10.3. What is the modal mark? 10.4. Calculate the mean of the marks and correct to 2 decimal places. Remember, your mean is the average or the norm. So you add up all of the values to find a total, and then you divide the total by the number of values you added together. The median is the middle value. You put all of the values into order. The median is the middle value. If there are 2 values in the middle, find the mean of these 2. The mode is the most frequent value. You count how many of each value appears. The mode is the value that appears the most. You can have more than one mode. The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value. So you find the highest and lowest values and subtract the lowest value from the highest. 10.1. The median of the marks is 66. And 10.2. The range is 92 minus 36, which will give you 56. 10.3. The modal mark is 58. 10.4. The mean is 727 divided by 11, which gives you 66.09. Question 11. The difference between 2 natural numbers is 14, and their sum is 54. Calculate the value of the larger number. To calculate the value of the larger number, we'll use x plus 12 is equal to 54. 2x is equal to 54 minus 12. 2x is equal to 42. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 21. And x plus x minus 12 is equal to 54. 2x is equal to 54 plus 12. 2x is equal to 66. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 33. So your larger number is 33. Thank you for watching Steducentre, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.